Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican-style pickled peppers. This vibrant condiment adds a fantastic kick to any meal. First, you will need about 1 pound of fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, known for their distinct heat and flavor. We'll also use white vinegar, water, and pickling salt for our brine. Don't forget key aromatics such as garlic, pimento berries, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme to infuse that authentic Jamaican taste. Next, let's prepare our peppers in jars. Carefully wash your Scotch bonnets and then slice them into rings or halves, depending on your preference. Remember, wearing gloves is crucial when handling these hot peppers to protect your skin. Simultaneously, sterilize your glass jars and their lids. You can achieve this by boiling them for 10 minutes or running them through a hot dishwasher cycle, ensuring a safe and clean pickling environment. Now, let's create the flavorful brine that will preserve our peppers. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of filtered water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and a small pinch of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, ensuring the salt and sugar fully dissolve. Once it reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly before pouring. Finally, it's time to assemble our pickled peppers. Carefully pack your sliced Scotch bonnets and the aromatics like garlic and thyme into the sterilized jars. Make sure to fill them snugly, but leave a little headspace. Then, pour the slightly cooled brine over the peppers, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and refrigerate them for at least 1 week. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.